Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel Cosmic Vibes. I salute to the divinity in you. Friends, today I'm going to talk about the trine which is getting activated, which holds lot of value and importance for each and every zodiac. Yes, I'm talking about the trine, the 159 house activation of Kalpurusha Kundli. If we see from the transition perspective, we can easily find that Sun has transited in Leo on 16th of August at 3:57 p.m. Mercury the other day, that is 17th August at 5 a.m. Now at present both Mercury and Sun, they are in Leo in Magha Nakshatra. Similarly, if we talk about 9th house, Jupiter is retro in Sagittarius till 12th of September, and it is transiting there with Ketu. Ketu being in Mula Nakshatra and Jupiter is in Purvashada. And then talking about Aries, the first house. Mars has transited into Aries on 16th August at 3:51 p.m. Now, of course, we will later talk about the transition of Mars specifically because it holds a lot of significance. This time it is very unique transition and Mars will be retro for 66 days. But right now we are talking about 159. So Mars, Sun and Mercury and Jupiter and Ketu. These are the planets which are occupying this trine and how it will going to impact each and every sign. Another important point here to observe is that Mars has come out of the Gandanta point to come into Aries. It was transiting in Pisces for last 1 month, and after being there, getting into a lot of introspection, soul searching, purification process, finally it has gathered all the energy, braced itself up, and it has come to Aries for action. Similarly, Sun was transiting in Cancer, which is again the watery sign, and it crossed the Gandanta point to come into its own sign of Leo. So we have these two planets which have crossed Gandanta point, another very significant perspective. Let's see for how it holds for each and every zodiac one by one. Now let's analyze the impact of this trine activation for Sagittarius. Sagittarians, after grilling period of difficulties and challenges, Sun is finally shining on you. It's time to delete all the insecurity patterns from your life and march ahead with extra vigor and strength. New hopes and happiness will be infused in your life. There will be remarkable grace in your appearance and conduct, which will obviously be noted by others around you. Don't let this joy get translated into binge eating, as you may get weight issues. Time to reap benefits of hard work done earlier, which will translate into increased profits and revenues. This time, there won't be any hard and fast rule applicable to take important work decision. You need to depend on your instincts and prevailing circumstances to take the best course of action. Your financial condition will start improving gradually and bring you in strong position. You may even explore and tap alternative sources of income and think of new ideas to strengthen your financial condition. However, refrain from any temper outburst and irritable reactions. Your mental faculties will be sharp and gather momentum to take reins of directions of your life in hand. Your faith in your abilities will be restored and you will be discreet in taking up the advice of others. You need to control sugar and excess salt intake, as the diabetics might have trouble and even non-diabetics might have insulin level fluctuations and hypertension. Pray to the higher power and seek blessings of father-like figures, your teachers, your mentors or gurus. These divine blessings will protect you from all negative energies. You might start working in some creative field which initially may be taken up as a hobby but later may be converted into your full-fledged interest and perhaps your career too. You may get fame and recognition for your accomplishments. Your respect and reputation will be enhanced. Sagittarians, your married life will now run smoothly and shall be happy and blissful. Your spouse, though, may have slight health issues. Those students who are seeking admission to university for higher degrees are likely to get universities of their choice, but after putting all necessary efforts practically. Your guides and mentors will help you with right course selection and admission process. Your father and guru will grant you necessary wisdom to make critical and life transforming decisions. You will be very busy on work front as you might encounter unavoidable changes and challenges which will keep you on toes and occupied, resulting in neglecting family and social life. However, these unforeseen challenges will enrich you with quick and apt decision making abilities under pressure. Overall, Sagittarians this time will give you opportunities to grow, develop leadership qualities, bond with your mentors, and get to the path you wish to be on in an effective manner. You need to be humble and modest and not get into conflict with your mentors. Wish you all the best. Love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications for all future videos.